Okay, everybody, let's look at the best setup for the probability power calculator to have the highest chance of success on our side. So first and foremost, if I am a day trader, I am going to look at the short-term probability box power calculator there, okay? Now, my probability power calculator, which is patent pending, everybody, will give you statistics for the day, okay? So don't look at this for the week, for the month, for swing trading. If you want a swing trading trade or a long-term investment trade, this is the long-term probability box right there on the right that you need to look. So what are the best settings? Typically, you want the same amount of probability on both sides, meaning that the short term should be higher than 60, 68%, here 74% chance of a short at resistance at the 44.60. You know, tonight, intranight, 4,461, 4,450. Right now, as we speak, right now, based on the last price, we have 74% chance of a short or a retracement on the S&P 500 all the way down to 4,421. I know that already by looking at the stats. And then, of course, you want to look at your indicator, your cloud, for a change of momentum and change of direction. So you stack probability and trend and support and resistance on your side. Now, also, you want to make sure that ideally you want to short also if the long-term probability are pointing short more than long. See here, we have a 54.8% chance of a short and a 45.2% chance of a buy. So here it's still pointing overall over a 50% chance of a short. Same here, 74% a short. So guess what? My long-term probability box shows me down. Great, right? My down here on the long-term probability, then everything is aligned to look very carefully at that 44.61 intranight for a retracement at 44.25 area. I know already the edge, everybody, by looking at the statistics and the probability between 4,400 and 44.25. So this is very helpful. Now, a good question has been, Mark, what do you do, okay, when the probability differs, meaning that the short term says 73% here, down, but then you would look here, and instead of a 45, let's scratch this, let's make a belief scenario that this is 70%. What to do? Well, the long-term probability box will always be the winner, and you don't want to counter trend that. So if this one is long, instead of shorting here, let it retrace here and buy here for a break move within the overall long-term probability box. Because long-term probabilities will always trump the short-term for the day. Remember, those are for the day, those are for day trader, those are for swing trader and long-term investor. You have to understand that there's more order flow and institutional money flowing towards the long-term probability box and the probability power calculator patent pending. So hopefully this is helpful. Now our patent pending tools are there to stack probability, open probability to help you. There's no certainty in trading. If people tells you buy, sell, certain, you should run. There's always a 1%, a 2%, a 3% chance of losing money. And as trader, what the probability power calculator patent pending tool does is force you to think in terms of probability at all time and avoid the crappy trade. See, if here we had 55% chance of a short, and here we had 55% chance of a long, guess what? That's a no-go for me. That's a no-go. It's like a bell curve. If I don't have anything above 68 to 95% chance of success, I don't trade. I need at least either the short-term probability being above 68% to 90%, right? And the long-term probability to at least be around that 60 to 68%. So then you are looking only for great trade. You are looking only for trades that have the highest probability of success. Hopefully this is helpful. Don't forget, you have a 10-day trial. Seeing is believing. Go with an open heart, an open mind, because you have nothing to lose. We are one of the only indicator providers on TradingView giving you absolutely free 10-day trial, because this is how confident that we are. We're confident that these tools can help you. We cannot promise you anything. Seeing is believing. Try them, play with them, and I am sure you will find them helpful, and certainly more helpful than trading at a 50% chance of success. This will help you increase your probability of success and think in terms of probability like every professional traders that trade real money, real account.